So I finished reading Tuesdays with Maury and I am in desperate need to talk about this book in a full-fledged YouTube video because I have a lot of thoughts on it and there are so many things I want to rant about. So yeah, hi, my name is Shifra and welcome to my YouTube channel. I will try to not give any spoilers, but then again, no promise, so watch it at your own risk. This is not a review video, it's more of a rant. So if you have read it, I think bring your book and get a cold coffee because we are gonna get deeper into it. So सबसे पहले I would like to start with the lines I have annotated and they are so beautiful, which is, but my old professor had made a profound decision. One he began to construct the day he came out of the doctor's office with a sword hanging over his head. Do I wither up and disappear? Or do I make the best of my time left? He had asked himself. He would not wither. He would not be ashamed of dying. Instead, he would make death his final project, the center point of his days. Since everyone was going to die, he could be of great value, right? He could research a human textbook, study me and my slow and patient demise, watch what happens to me, learn with me. Maury would walk that final bridge between life and death and narrate the trip. एंड आई थिंक ये लाइन्स मौरी के बारे में मौरी एज अ पर्सन कैसे बहुत ज़्यादा डिपिक्ट करती है बिकॉज मौरी हैड मेड डेथ हिज फाइनल प्रोजेक्ट इंस्टेड ऑफ डिप्रेसिंग हिमसेल्फ इंस्टेड ऑफ dying before the death actually arrived. He wanted to live, he wanted to live fully, he wanted to do things बहुत अच्छे से and I think that should be the purpose of life in general. पूरी बुक में when the author mentioned about Maury, he portrayed him कि he was full of life and you actually read about it, that how he used to dance, he used to enjoy that process. It was not just, something that we did. I think in general Maury lived not just for hobbies, but more for a passion. हम कहते हैं ना that hobbies are important, but he did those hobbies with more passion. If he was teaching fully. He was doing things, he was in that moment, and जब हम कुछ कर रहे होते हैं, how much of the time are we in the moment? Even if we are doing something, even if we are watching a movie or reading a book or, I will exclude reading a book, but then again, there are certain points, certain things in life that keeps stressing us out. हम कहीं भी कुछ भी कर रहे होते हैं and we still think about other things, but that's not what Maury did. That's not what he wanted to say. This also, I guess, बाद में आएगी. In the end, mostly आती है that when I'm there with you, I'm there with you. I do not talk about what we talked about last week. I do not wonder about future. I am in the present. I am thinking about the present. I'm thinking about what we are going to do, what we are actually doing at that moment instead of thinking it in, future or past tense. And it's truly wonderful because we are so much stuck in past and thinking about कि future कैसा होगा, क्या होएगा, past mistakes, that we forget that the moment we are actually living is so much crucial for ourselves because at this moment we can create memories, we can do things, we can be things and we can change the future. And that's also, see, I'm talking about changing the future, but that's what human does, right? They keep thinking about future somehow and somehow not, हमेशा interlinked रहता है. So reading this book, it was such a different perspective, but then again, it was not abnormal. There's this another quote on page number 40, which is, life is a series of pulls back and forth. You want to do one thing, but you're bound to do something else. Something hurts you, yet you know it shouldn't. You take certain things for granted, even when you know you should never take anything for granted. A tension of opposites, like a pull on a rubber band, and most of us live somewhere in the middle. I think it's so much true for each one of us. There are certain things we want to do, certain things we wished we did, but we couldn't for some reasons. Desires, dreams that were left unfulfilled because of certain circumstances or whatever. And I think we are always at that stance in life that we are always in the middle of something, of our desire and of our reality. After a few pages of this quote, I think author also mentioned that he envied the quality life of Maury, even though it was very limited. And maybe because Maury had life, he was living to his fullest, He was sending letters, he was he was with his loved ones, he was surrounded by them, he was talking to them, he was one of a great listener. And I think we all want to live like Maury somehow. जब भी we are depressed most of the times, but then when we think कि हाँ मैं कुछ करना है, we always think that we need to live our life to the fullest, because if you don't have quality in your life, then what's the purpose of living? And purpose of living यही होना चाहिए ना, that you do things to the fullest, you live life to your fullest, and you do things without being scared, and you spend time with your loved ones. Because Maury in this book mentioned that money and everything would not matter when you die. Your friends will matter, but you also need a family for that. He mentioned that if I didn't have the family, if I didn't have my wife and children, and I was dying at this stage and I was alone, I would have my friends, but then again, the support system that comes now because of my family wouldn't come if I didn't have one. So yeah, and most of us are scared to grow or have a family because it's such a scary choice. But if you see through Maury's perspective, you actually start believing that it's so beautiful to have a family and to be surrounded by your loved ones. I was wanting to read this book since a very long time. वो मेरे बहुत टाइम से TBR में थी, but somehow the right time didn't come, but it was the right time and I completed it in a day. And इतनी प्यारी book है ये, मतलब it's so beautiful read, and I wish I could read it again for the first time, but nonetheless I'm very much grateful that I was able to read it. So I would recommend each and every one of you to read this book, and I would recommend, if your friends have not read them, please make them do, because it's such a beautiful novel. It's so pyari, matlab it's so pyari. If there was a book I could give a hug to, this would be one. So again, I want to read a few lines from this book, which is, that's the thing you see. Once you get your fingers on the important questions, you can't turn away from them. And which are the important questions? I see it. They have to do with love, responsibility, spirituality, awareness, and if I were healthy today, those would still be my issues. They should have been all along. Even though having a very poor childhood, Maury turned into such a great human, and I wish that each one of us become like him somehow, not fully, तो at least thoda sa we do reach his state of mind, because it's awesome and it's so healing to be him, to read his thoughts. So that's it. These were I have a lot in my mind, but I don't know how to express them more now. So this was it for this video. See you in the next video. Bye.